My name is Robot Katie Lyle. I'm your personal financial advisor. Wow! Come and touch my head. I will tell you useful knowledge. Hey, you can buy the things you like when you save up a great amount. Your savings are steadily increasing day by day. Forward, backward, counterclockwise circling, clockwise circling. I'm going to display the basic movements. Ready, go! Record.
Teddy Will.
Interactive sound control.
Teddy Will. Teddy Will. Teddy Will.
As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot. Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation.
Meet Q.
Let's pick your avatar.
Choose from 4 totally unique avatars and watch your robot come to life.
Alright, Zess, game on.
You got it.
Code new experiences at the skill level that's right for you. So you can play together, explore together, and text together.
Engaging, eat my dust bone.
Chat, code, and share your world with a robot all your own. Q from Wonder Workshop. Your robot, your rules.
Children are using technology every day and need an educational tool to work with that is both tactile and fun. Introducing MBot, an open-source, affordable STEM robot kit designed to inspire young engineers as they build, play, and learn. From sensors used to follow complex line formations and avoid obstacles, to multifaceted remote controls using the MBot app, MBot is the perfect addition to any classroom environment or family scenario, easily teaching children entry-level graphical programming. MBlock, a graphical programming tool developed from Scratch 2.0 that works with PC, shows young engineers the possibilities and fun of coding through controlling different functions of their MBot. When working on iPad, tablet, or smartphone, the MBlockly app is an easy and fun tool to write and create your own imaginative projects by simply dragging and dropping function blocks. MBot can easily be assembled in 20 minutes. Circuit boards and Bluetooth modules simply snap in for clean and easy construction. With a number of add-on packs already developed and more on the way, the possibilities of MBot are unlimited. Online courses are provided to help every step of the way. Through play and education, MBot gives children and parents alike a tool to learn a skill set that they will use for years to come.